Welcome back to all of you. In this video, you will be learning the last most important question of chapter 3rd of your geography, that is population composition. Let's start this video. Our today's topic is age sex pyramid. So the answer of this question is the shape of the population pyramid reflect the characteristics of population, and it means it gives a clear idea about the proportion of population in a different age group, such as male female ratio, birth rate, death rate, and their growth rate also. But the shape and the size of the population pyramid may vary among the countries. In population pyramids, the left side shows the percentage of male and the right side shows the percentage of female population. If we talk about the use of this age sex pyramid, so it is to show the different age sex structure. Now there are different type of population pyramid we have, such as expanding population, constant population, and declining population. Now student, let's try to understand this expanding population pyramid with the help of this diagram. Our first point is triangular in shape. As you can see over here, it has a triangular in shape. Next point is broad or wide base. It has a broad, or we can say that it has a wide base. And if we talk about the country having the expanding population characteristics, it is less developed, or we can say that developing countries is also fall in this expanding population pyramid. One of the most important point in this expanding population, that is young population is more as compared to the old population. As you can see over here, maximum population is of young and very less population is of old population. If we talk about the example of these expanding population pyramid, so the examples are Bangladesh, Mexico, India, Nigeria, etc. Next topic is constant population. If we talk about the shape of this constant population pyramid, the shape is bell-shaped pyramid, and in constant population pyramid the birth rate and the death rate is almost equal, you can see over here, and it is happened because of the better health facilities in the developed countries. And if we talk about the example of this constant population, the answer is Australia. Last topic of this question is declining population pyramid. First point is narrow base. As you can see over here, it has a narrow base as compared to the expanding population pyramid and constant population pyramid. Next topic is the developed countries having the low birth rate or low death rate comes under this category, and as a result the growth rate is zero, or sometimes it goes to the negative also. If we talk about the declining population pyramid example, the examples are Japan and Britain. So student, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.